Todd and Julie Chrisley's attorney explains why they are innocent and will be retried. Chrisley Family News, errors by the court. According to Chrisley Family News, Todd and Julie's defense attorney, Alex Little, hopes his clients will be given a fresh trial, despite the fact that the couple began their individual federal prison sentences on Tuesday, January 17. Their counsel believes they will be granted a new trial. The USA Network stars were convicted of bank fraud and tax evasion in June 2022, resulting in a 7-year federal prison term for Julie Chrisley and a 12-year sentence for her husband Todd. Little, on the other hand, believes that the court committed multiple mistakes. Chrisley Family News, unconstitutional from the start. The very beginning of this case there was an unconstitutional search by the Georgia Department of Revenue, the defense attorney for Alex Little of Burr and Foreman LLP stated in a new interview, noting the unlawful seizure of some documents. This court's already found that was unconstitutional and it should have stopped the whole case in its tracks. That didn't happen. Little also claimed that one of the IRS officers testified about whether the Chrisleys had paid certain taxes. He added that he and his team believe that testimony affected the jury and that will be the basis for a new trial. Chrisley Family News, you can't show remorse if you're innocent. Alex Little, a legal expert, also discussed how the judge condemned the couple for their lack of remorse, despite the fact that they have continued to maintain their innocence throughout the trial. It's certainly true that courts want to hear defendants accept responsibility, but it's also hard to accept responsibility when you haven't done what you're accused of doing, he said. It's a difficulty any innocent person faces when they are convicted and sentenced. Little wrapped the interview by sharing a message from the couple. I think they'd want folks to know that they are the same people they've always been, that they didn't do these things and they're going to fight to get their name cleared. An insider told OK that the last week has been an extraordinarily traumatic time for the Chrisley family. There were many tears, and no one knew what to say because nothing they could say would change anything. While Todd and Julie await a retrial, Savannah, their 25-year-old daughter, has promised to forever fight for her parents. I have committed myself to the other side of this so that we can help other people who are going through situations like this, she stated on the Unlocked podcast on Tuesday, January 17.